today's video, I'm going to be showing you ways you can speed up your Windows computer. Task Manager. Type Task Manager in search bar. Go to Startup and click any application you don't want to open during the startup and hit Disable. So that when your computer turns on, all those applications won't be opening if you're not going to be using them. Cleaning temporary files. They are the files that have been used once your computer but is still stored after a long period of time. Press Window key and +R in your keyboard, then type temp, then enter. Press Ctrl A in your keyboard to select all the files and hit the delete key to delete all those temporary files. Once they deleted, you want to do this once again. Press a Window key, +R again, but this time type %temp%, then press enter. You have more temporary files to come up. Press Ctrl A and delete those as well. Delete those as well. Now we're going to disable services that automatically run in background. Type msconfig, then go to Services tab. You want to make sure that you don't have any Microsoft services selected. Check up the bottom and then go through the list and find any services that you don't want to automatically run in background, services that you're not needed. Then make sure to apply the settings and changes. Now we're going to system information or computer properties. Then to advanced system settings. If you adjust for best appearance, performance may reduce. For me, I choose custom settings and disable some settings like animated controls. Check again. If you want more videos like this, be sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.